Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we actually got a new build. I got the truck and trailer hooked up, ready to go to Copar to pick up my new ride. I'm honestly actually really excited about this one. I don't know, it's a little different than what we've done before, but I'm gonna keep it for myself personally. I'm actually upgrading my old vehicle, so yeah, let's go ahead and go to Copar, see what we got. I'm actually upgrading my old Honda Odyssey to this new 2019 Honda Odyssey. I mean, honestly, I haven't told my wife anything because I wasn't planning on buying one. It was kind of a spontaneous buy. I didn't know I was gonna buy one today or in a while, because my van's fine, it works, but hey, this popped up, we're for a good deal. Might as well get an upgrade, let's go, get a newer vehicle. The damage don't look too bad, and we actually have parts in the back of the shop, so should be okay. I mean, it's right here locally as well, so shouldn't take too long to get there. Let's go pick up a new van. So the process is actually really simple now with the quick Copar app that you say, hey, I'm here, you make an appointment, you schedule it, you come on by, they load you up, then you go inside and get the title. It's actually really painless. Before you had to wait in line for a long time and it was rough, but it's getting a lot better. So we got the car loaded, strapped down, let's go inside, get that title, and we'll be on our way. There we go, let's go ahead and strap it down, get the title, go back to the shop. And just like that, we're back at the shop. We're over here. I don't know if I'm gonna load it right now, but let's check it out. Let's see what we bought. All right, guys, so the game plan is basically we're gonna unstrap it and we're gonna put some air in this tire, get some ramps, and see if we can drive it off. We'll see, who knows? You can, no, you're good. Got Scrubs helping out. Handy neighbor. Nice. Thanks, Scrubs. All right, guys, I got the jump box over here. I got the ramps over there. We're gonna fill up that tire. It actually goes flat really quick, so we need to start it, roll it off, try to get it where I need to be before that tire goes flat. Let's get it done. Start, Scrubs. Start right up. That's good news. Woo-wee. Pretty sweet. Not even the check engine light on. That's awesome. Weird.
Wet lime, it's solid.
All right, guys, got it lifted up. As you could tell, this control arm did move, and that bolt right there, kind of hard to see, but so it looks kind of messed up. So this control is definitely bent. As you could tell. And probably this guy, they usually bend as well. But overall, I mean, it's driving. Who knows? Got a spare tire, so we get this thing rolling around. Nice. All right, we're gonna go look in the back, see if we have some parts, and maybe we got some control arm parts. It'd be great. Let's go see. So we got a parts cart right here. There's the rear quarter panel that we need, so that's awesome. Some suspension parts on it. There's that plate right there. That's good, but I don't know about the rest of the pieces. It's been a little bit. Got some Odysseys back in the day. Some parts are gone, as you could tell. Now back in the junkyard, here's the other Odyssey. Hey, 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 look at that. That looks like what I need right there.
Hopefully it's the right side. So.
That's awesome.
Here's the knee side right there. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there it is. Sweet.
Pretty sure this shouldn't be that hard to replace, so maybe let's just replace it really quick.
And see what it looks like.
See what it looks like.
Yeah. Let's see if this will fix it. Who knows? Looks like the right one, Ivan? Awesome.
Hopefully it's not gonna spring out.
Who knows? It might settle, yeah. Looks like there's some tension on that bolt. Overall, the inner structure looks okay. Tire hit a little bit. I mean, good thing we got these parts, so it's not a big deal. We'll get this replaced right there. New bumper. Knee assembly for the rear, and we're good to go. Car's actually still running if we could hear it. It's very quiet. Nice.
John, what do you think, John? How's it looking?
A couple dents here and there I'm noticing. But that'll be alright, we'll get it. There's backup camera right there. No backup sensors, but that's fine. It might actually have backup sensors. Remember, it beeping, so who knows? It is on there.
We try the other bolt then.
Yeah, try to loosen the other side and maybe it'll go then. Exhaust probably hot. Let me turn the car off. Probably easier to work on it. Did it snap already? Kinda. Already relaxed, tension.
Not that bad.
I mean, hopefully the subframe's okay.
We shall see.
There it goes. Oh yeah. It's moving. It's a big old bolt. Wow. That is tight. I wonder why. There we go.
Not mine.
Let's see the difference. Original. Oh yeah. You could tell the difference.
Why like that?
It's crazy how it bends like that. It didn't like crack or anything. It just bent.
All right, so we got the old one off. Let's try to put the new one in there and see how it goes. Because those bolts were bent. We tried to fix them a little bit, but let's see how it is and go from there.
Nice. Close, look at that.
You see it bent out a little bit right there.
Yeah. Subframe itself bent a little bit.
We'll see.
There we go. I got the main bolt in. Was able to beat it back and it lined up nicely. Went right inside. So that's awesome. So that'll screw down there. Get my nut on there. Let's check it out.
looking better. I don't know. We'll see in a second. Like it. You could drive it like this, Michael, as is.
Nah, you could. I mean, honestly, we'll see. I already drove it off the lip in the car. Wow, guys, that is looking so much better. A lot straighter. Check that out. Go ahead and lower it and see what it does. Alright guys, and now we actually have time to go around it and talk about the car, look at the good, look at the bad. Honestly, we're just excited to get that thing lifted up and check out the suspension, replace that control bar, and it looks a lot better, that control arm. But yeah, let's look at it, talk about our price, how much we picked this thing up for, let us know if you think it's a good deal. Leave some comments below, but let's check this thing out. Alright guys, we're inside the office. Let's go over the numbers, how much we picked this thing up for real quick, and then we'll go right back out there. So we basically got it for $10,200 was the winning bid, but then it was on approval, so we're going back and forth. They wanted like 11 for it, and we said 10.2. So basically, get an opportunity to negotiate, and we were able to work it down to 10.5. So $10,500 is where we end up meeting in the middle kind of thing, and we picked it up. After fees, it was like 11 something, but I don't think it's that bad honestly, because these things are selling for like $30,000, and I mean, clean titles. So salvage, you're a little under there, but still, $30,000, we got it for like 11 something. That's not bad. I'm pretty happy with it, but like I said, leave some comments below what you guys think. Good deal, bad deal, but let's go out there and check the rest of it out. Like I said before, this is a 2019 Honda Odyssey EXL. Man, I definitely love the headlights. A little trim work on there, looks sweet. The front end looks awesome. Like I said, started right up. It sounds really quiet. There's some bumper damage right here. Must have been hit. It's probably because it took the impact from the forklift or something like that, but it's okay. We'll have to paint the rear bumper anyway, so we'll take this off, get it repaired, and get that looking fresh. I don't know if it's been painted before, but it feels like, I don't know, color difference. I don't know, because it's metal and plastic, there's always that little bit of difference. I think they come from the factory like that, so it's not really us. We didn't touch it yet, or it's been painted already. Who knows? 2019, anything could happen. It did say run and drive, and it was run and drive. We drove it off the trailer, so that's always good. 42,000 miles on it. This side's looking clean. Like we noticed a couple dents here and there, but overall pretty good. Had to replace that tire. Actually had a spare rim, so that's nice. The tire was pretty bad. It was just a big old hole in the side. Rear bumper looks good on this side, so it's good. I'm gonna get the little reflectors off it, all the little pieces, trim work on it. A lot of parts to salvage off it, no big deal. Tail lights look good. Trunk lid hopefully isn't damaged. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh yeah, that'll buff out. Perfect. Let's open it up, see if it works. Nice. Push of a button. That's awesome. It has the other button, trunk lid. That's really nice. I love the Odyssey's deep trunk space. Look at that. Put whatever you want there. Sweet. Got a power outlet in the back. As you can tell, the curtain airbag did deploy, but that thing's all the way to the front, so it's one solid airbag, I believe. So, or maybe there's two. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's one big old airbag. It's probably gonna be expensive, but it's okay. It's gonna be worth it. So that's what the bumper bolts onto right there. It looks like that got bent a little bit, but once we take it apart, we'll definitely be able to tell what's going on there. But taillight looks good. This glass actually unbolts behind there, so we've done one before. Not too bad compared to the stuff we've done. This isn't bad at all. I don't even know if I want to attempt to open this door just in case it gets stuck. I'd rather wait till we're inside for that. But this door looks great. This whole side looks nice. I got it running right now. It actually smells like a new car inside. Very clean. This can get sewn up. It's not a big deal. Once we replace the airbag, you give it to the guy and they just restitch it. It's made to blow there, so it's kind of designed for that. But overall, they're looking nice. It's gonna be a sweet little van for sure. I love the keyless entry right here, so you just push a button or just come next to it. It'll unlock. There's the key fob for it. It's really nice to have the memory seats. It's the little things, for sure. So I got the trunk, some other options to it, road lane radar stuff. So it does have the radar on there, that's nice. So it'll lane assist, kind of turn for you a little bit here and there. So that's pretty cool. Get your CarPlay, Bluetooth. Sweet. Oh yeah. Lots of options. Heated seats. Very clean look. It's kind of interesting, the whole shifting, but we'll get used to it. So it's got a sunroof. Nice. Overall, really good, well taken care of. I mean, like I said, 42,000 miles. I've seen things a lot worse condition, especially for a van. Like, a lot could happen with the children. Let's see, so turn that, open that up. Opens right up. Sweet. Oh yeah, wipe it down. It's gonna look real good. Got the middle seat option. That's actually the spare tire goes. And there's the rear seats. Third row seating is always nice for all the kiddos. I actually have 4 kids, so this is great. We're gonna love it. So this folds down and slides and get inside. That's pretty cool. You could actually get rid of the middle seat and slide this chair over. There's an option for that too that they did. So that's cool. Like I said, I'm actually planning to keep this van. It's gonna be a surprise for my wife because about an hour ago I was surprised myself that we bought it. It wasn't really a planned buy, but hey, why not? I have an Odyssey right now, like I said, an older one, and this thing is definitely newer and cleaner and less miles, so it'll be good to upgrade. Since we do body work anyway, it shouldn't be a big deal for us, and it was local, picked it up. Boom, why not? So, I don't know, my wife watches the videos sometimes, but if she doesn't, and I actually surprise her, that'd be great. Hopefully I could fix it real quick, get it together, get it painted, and be like, hey, here you go, new car. Oh yeah, that'd be great. The backup camera's pretty cool. You could do different options to it, straight, narrow, straight down, or wide angle. Pretty cool. It says that door's open, but that makes sense because, sorry guys, the glare. There we go. Because it is damaged. Tire pressure, I need some gas, and my airbag light's on. But overall, not bad. Cool. Yeah guys, this engine sounds awesome. The fan is on right now, so it's a little louder, but I actually turned it off and started right up again, so my battery's good as well. It was dead when we got it, needed a jump, but now it's looking real nice. Oh yeah, no damage here, which is amazing because that gets complicated and expensive, but I'm happy with that. Nice. Alright guys, well, that's all the time we have for this video. Let us know if you like to see this family van come back to life, get that rear quarter panel drilled out, Bondo painted, and back in the road. Honestly, it shouldn't take too much, so hopefully we'll get it done as soon as possible. Order a couple parts, airbag, seat belts, but we know some guys, we know some places to go, so we should knock that out real quick. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, stay tuned, we'll catch you next time.